Hi everyone, today we're going to learn 100 essential school supplies in English. Let's get started. Pen.
Pen,
Repeat after me. Pen.
pen,
Pencil.
pencil,
Let's say it together. Pencil.
pencil,
Eraser.
eraser,
Say it with me. Eraser.
eraser,
Ruler.
ruler,
Now repeat. Ruler.
ruler,
Notebook.
notebook,
Let's say it together. Notebook.
notebook,
Sharpener.
sharpener,
Now repeat.
sharpener,
Sharpener. Calculator.
calculator,
Let's say it together. Calculator.
calculator,
Backpack.
backpack,
Let's say it together. Backpack.
backpack,
Highlighter.
highlighter,
Let's say it together. Highlighter.
highlighter,
Marker.
marker,
Say it with me. Marker.
marker,
Scissors.
scissors,
Let's say it together. Scissors.
scissors,
Glue stick.
glue stick,
Say it with me. Glue stick.
glue stick,
Stapler.
stapler,
Let's say it together. Stapler.
stapler,
Paper clip.
paperclip,
Let's say it together. Paper clip.
paperclip,
Compass.
compass,
Say it with me. Compass.
compass,
Protractor.
protractor,
Let's say it together. Protractor.
protractor,
Binder.
binder,
Let's say it together. Binder.
binder,
Folder.
folder,
Repeat after me. Folder.
folder,
Whiteboard.
whiteboard,
Let's say it together. Whiteboard.
whiteboard,
Chalk.
chalk,
Say it with me. Chalk.
chalk,
Great job today! You're doing amazing! Keep it up! Let's review. Practice the vocabulary together. What is this?
Pen. Pen.
What is this?
Pencil. Pencil.
What do we call this?
Eraser. Eraser.
What is this?
Ruler. Ruler.
What is this?
Notebook. Notebook.
What is this?
Sharpener. Sharpener.
What do we call this?
Calculator. Calculator.
What is this?
Backpack. Backpack.
What do we call this?
Highlighter. Highlighter.
What do you call this?
Marker. Marker.
What do we call this?
Scissors. Scissors.
What do you call this?
Glue stick. Glue stick.
Do you know what this is?
Stapler. Stapler.
What do we call this?
Paper clip. Paper clip.
What do we call this?
Compass. Compass.
What do we call this?
Protractor. Protractor.
Do you know what this is?
Binder. Binder.
What is this?
Folder. Folder.
Do you know what this is?
Whiteboard. Whiteboard.
Do you know what this is?
Chalk. Chalk.
Thanks for being here. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe for more.